Yes, Masura Semuri Zimbabwe. Welcome to our new edition of Hot Zim Trends, where we broadcast everything live and at the same time, Chichikuburitsrai, my current affairs that will be happening in and around Zimbabwe. All right. Saka, ndine mavideos andakuigirai nhasi ezvaswera zvichiitika zvakaomama matombo aswera achikandwa murodhi ende mategas aswera achikandwa futi at the same time. Saka ndisati ndakuradzai mavideos tina savira wedu vebright connect avo vari kutika aiwaka cheregedzai kuonera zvinhu patv sezvo magetsi ari kuendai. Kwane inonzi vane machannels avanayo kuti munokwanisa kustreama dstv, netflix, hbo max, apple tv, Prime Video akawandisa machannels up to 10,000 machannels, right? Izvi vari kungotaura chete munongobhadhara $10 yenyu chete and you are through. Hazvina basa nedish, hazvina basa nedstv account, or even chinongodiwa chete idata mufoni menyu. Saka I've got this video advert randinaro ndoda kuti it's just a 15 seconds video, mongoriona then movabata number dzavo dziri at the end of the video. Saka watch this video. Right. Saka nyaya dzandinadzo ndine nyaya dzakawanda. Aiwa rati vanhu vanga vachivava nhasi mutown. Zvinhu zvisina kutombomira mushe. Saka I've got this whole videos, a whole lot of them. Vanhu vachikanda matombo vaita sei pengu pakati pavanhu vanga vari kuUnity Square uku. Robert Mugabe Unity Square iri just close to Rainbow Towers. Toyo futi ku Duzi just close to Rotterdam Court. Vanhu vanga vachikanda matombo futi muroad. Saka I would love you to show you these videos, but please don't forget to subscribe and like to Hot Simpsons so that we continue giving you latest updates. Watch this.
After this thing, we don't want to see you, we don't want to hear you. You have been quiet since this thing has been starting. A leader is supposed to lead. He's supposed to say yes or no. And you have been silent for quite a long time, and you are seeing that you are being used, and I think that you are biased somewhere. I don't hate you. My father died supporting this opposition party because he wanted to see freedom. And you have been quiet for a long time, Chamisa. And after this, I promise you, we don't want to hear you saying a word. You are gone.
Because our way is wrong, Mamisa Moon.
Because the moon can enter.
Okay, shut up.